Think Jarrod's gonna puke? These are with the sandy ones, right?
I didn't hit it as good as some of them are cleaning better than others. I think these three for here.
You know that doesn't have very much nicotine in it, right? So it shouldn't make you sick.
Oh my god, dude.
Did you inhale it? A little bit?
Oh yeah.
See, I told you, dude. You cannot inhale these fucking things. You will end up puking just because you're getting the smoke into your lungs. They're way too powerful.
Got me feeling like a bitch.
Glad we got that on camera.
Yeah. Post that one too.